Menteri Ketenat Kekuat Kekia Kejelau James PK Sang Mau Laong, baka Sorkar Jela kat sa Pynïeng saya Kawei ka cancer care wing Tura. Ulai thu baka kam Tura kelas dang, balak kemi lenti ban plia ka haus nem banwan. Ulaong baka Sorkar Jela kalai keren baka Sorkar India nakabenta ka jengerap pisa, pat pentip ru baka Sorkar Jela kan sa Pynïeng ki jakap bnia abaro ki district, hinre ka cancer wing kan David tang Tura bat Shillong. Haba pai sa ka medical college usang ma ulaong baka kam ha ka bede baka Tura medical college kala don ha ka kala bakhat do bat shen on sa penitho bat ya cha kamat ha ka bede bat kani ka kam.
Yes, this is something that we need to explore.
Screening facilities will be asked.
Screening, yes. If you're talking about screening, yes, screening facilities and all. But the cancer care wings, just for now in Tura and in Shillong. But of course, in the future, we would like to see it in every district. Tura Medical College, as you know, is already sanctioned. The construction is underway. There are a lot of difficulties in terms of the road access, in terms of other things, which we have been able to clear because there was a bridge construction which was proving to be as an impediment to transportation of materials for building. So those have been resolved, and we're looking at it getting expedited. Yeah.
Udakot barem ka People's Democratic Front